In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to adjust the settings on the simple motion sensor. First, let's pull out the existing switch by pulling the blue tab and insert the motion sensor. Access the settings by prying the corner of this top panel and pulling it off. There's a few different settings on the simple motion sensor. We have the timeout features, which is how long the lights can stay on in either test, 10-minute, or 20-minute options. We also have occupancy or vacancy settings. Occupancy is great for places like the bathroom, laundry rooms, and maybe the pantry. When you enter, the light will come on, and after there's no motion, the light will shut off. Vacancy is a little bit different. It's great for areas like bedrooms, bathroom fans, or maybe closets. You will turn the light on manually, and then it'll just shut off on its own after a given time. And then finally, we have the range setting, which is a high and low setting. We always recommend just keeping it on the low setting unless you're talking about a very large space. And that's it. Nice and simple. Other than one tip when demoing these products to homeowners. Keep the setting in the test position so that they can quickly see the value of these switches. If you need any support at all when it comes to the motion sensor, don't hesitate to reach out to the Deako support team.